So after about a month of having this privacy film installed, here's what I've kind of noticed. One, the installation was a pain because you need at least two people to do this. Now this is the outside of the window. Inside, whereas the film is applied, was the pain. Exacto knife would be your best friend, and someone else holding the film would help. Another thing you would probably notice too is that you're gonna need some water to apply the film. So here we are inside. You can see I made some mistakes cutting. Again, first time doing it. It's gonna be hard, but you're gonna need some water to spray in between the film and your glass to apply it. But once you apply it, it's very smooth. It doesn't use any sticky residue. It's just the water and the film. So from the inside, as you can still see outside, which is the purpose of this film. You can see who's coming to your door. Now, if you're on the outside, see, you can see my hand. If you're on the outside, all you see is the reflection of yourself or whoever's looking. So on the outside, as you can see, you just see the reflection. And during the daytime, that's the purpose of this film. So for doing that job, it's done its job really well. At nighttime, however, you can see both ways, which doesn't help, but maybe there could be another thing to help with that. However, at nighttime, it is tinted, so it's gonna be harder for them to see you unless you go up close to the door, so you can see them first at nighttime. But during the daytime, they're not gonna be able to see inside your window or your glass. Maybe they can see a figure or maybe something that's very shiny, but other than that, they're not gonna see your details of your face or whatever you're doing. So in terms of that aspect, this privacy film has done pretty well in terms of reflecting the light from the outside so people can't see. And the inside, you can see someone pretty well. But these gaps I have because of my shoddy cutting is noticeable only from the inside. And the outside, you can't even see through them. Very minute openings where they can actually see. It's very hard to see. Unless someone's putting their eyeball right here on the outside, then maybe they can see through it. But overall, this has been pretty good after a month. And smooth. It does take a while to apply. Something to keep in mind. Take your time, use two people, get an X-Acto knife that cuts very clean so you don't have to apply it again. And in my sake, I tried my best to do it, and there are some bubbles right here, as you can see, like right here. Some bubbles. Again, it's not perfect. Maybe if I do it a second time, it will be better. It is hard to handle, but great for daytime privacy. It does its job.